Open developer guide. In developer guide, you will write below list of input tags in HTML. List of input tags in HTML. List of input tags in HTML. We have list of some tags. We will follow that. So right here, one called text. Second call number. Third call password. Fourth call email. Hope sound is clear, right? Anyone can say something in the chat if sound is coming clearly. Okay, fine then. So email. After that, from your side, your sound will not come. There is some problem in the Zoom. The version I have installed, some problem is there. So I will be updating today. In case if you want to say something, you can write message. I will reply from this side. Okay, my voice should come properly. That is the important part. Text, number, password, email. Then we can write call text area. Text area. Next is called text area. After text area, we have called select. Then we have called file. F-I-L-E, file. Next we have called checkbox. Next we have called radio button. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last we have buttons. Button is of two types. One is called submit button. Submit button. Next is called reset button. And next is called button also. Three types of button. Text, number, password, email, text area, select, file, checkbox, radio button, then submit button. Then you will create an example. Okay, so what example I'll write? Let us check once. Now create a folder. Create a folder called input tag. Create a folder. Folder name is called input tag. Create a folder called input tag. Input tag will be the folder name. So hope you have written. I will go ahead under the folder. There we'll create a folder called input tag. Folder name input tag. Create a folder called input tag. Input tag folder is ready. Now create a file called example1.html. Example1.html in input tag folder. In input tag folder, you will create example1.html. In example1.html, start from HTML and follow the body tag. Write inside one H1 HTML input tags example. HTML input tags example. HTML input tags example. Come down below. Write here called text. Text. Input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. So this is going to take alphanumeric all the type of values. It is going to take alphanumeric all the type of values. Next will be called number. Okay, I'll write next called password. Input type equal to password. Input type equal to text. Input type equal to password. Input type equal to text. Input type equal to password of written. Save the file. Run it. Save the file. Run it. It should come like this. Two field will come in one line. Two field will come in one line. One place, whatever you will enter, it will show. Another place, if you enter, it will not show. See here, space everything. It will be dot dot dot. Call it a password. Input type equal to password. Hope written. Next, after this, we have called number. That will take only number. Input type equal to number. It's an independent tag, so that we are putting the slash in the last. We have one more called email. It is especially to capture the email ID from user. Input type equal to email. Input type equal to email. Change type. You have written something wrong. Type equal to password, check properly. If you write type equal to password, confirm, it will come dot 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 only. Check the spelling. Or you can send your code in chat, I will guide you. Now, type equal to text for what purpose? To capture everything. Alpha, numeric, all type of value we can capture through the type equal to text. Password. What is a type equal to password? Type equal to password says like using type equal to password, we can capture the some kind of encrypted value from user. Encrypted value we can capture from user. That can be password, can be OTP, can be any kind of secure value that we can capture through the password field. Number, mobile number, PIN code, any account number, those kind of details we can capture through the type equal to number. When you register somewhere in any type of website, when we register somewhere in any type of website, it will ask enter your email ID, enter your password. So email ID we can take through the type equal to email. Email ID we can take through the type equal to email. Correct. Now come after this. So these all are coming in the same line. So that we understand, yes, this is called a inline tag. It is going to print in the same line. Printing in the same lines. These all are called a inline tag. Right? Sequence. Inline tag, something else. Okay, so hope it's working. Next, after this, BR will break the line. You can use the BR tag, no problem. Come next, write H4. H4, you write college text area. We are going to write remaining all in the new line. Text area. Text area. What is it? Text area open, text area close. Text area open, text area close. Text area open, text area close. This is going to help you to take the multiple line value. Let's write text area. I will guide you the difference of text, password, number, email, and text area. Just add this first. text area. Okay, hope ready. Let me come to the browser. See now. In the first text box, suppose I will write something. Call Bangalore. Press enter key. It will not go to the new line. It will come in the same line. Because it is designed to capture the single line input. It is designed to capture the single line input. Password. If you enter anything here, press enter key. It will not go to the new line. Because password also will be the single line only. Number. This is also designed to collect one line value, not multiple line value. See, not going to the new line. Email always single line. Email always single line. Correct? So you can see it will not go to the new line. Always single line. But this text area will help you to take the multiple line. You can go here. Enter the value. You can press enter also, it will go to the new line. So that enter the value new line, enter the value new line, enter the value new line. Correct? So we can pass the value to new line also. Okay, hope ready. Next, after this, we saw the difference of which one? These all are for the single line and this is for multi-line. Text area used to collect the multi-line value. Text, password, number, email for the single line value. Remaining text area for the multi-line value. Go next after this. H4 called file. File. Input type equal to file. Input type equal to file. Right, input type equal to file. Hope written. Input type equal to file will come. Choose option here. You can see option is coming called choose file. From here we can go and select a file. Any kind of file we can select from here. Choose option. Come next. After that H3, H4. Next is called select. 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 Select open close. Select open close. Option will come inside. Choose you have to write. Suppose add city name. Check now how that looks. Written. Check now. That should look like this. Drop down will appear. Drop down will appear. In this example, we are seeing only syntax. In this example, we are seeing only syntax of input boxes. Input field only in syntax. Okay. Next, we can add here. That is called checkbox. Input type equal to checkbox. Keep call apple. One more checkbox. Mango. One more checkbox. Banana. More checkbox. Orange. So these all are the check boxes where the values are different, syntax is same as of now. It will create total 4 checkbox. It will create total 4 checkbox. Okay, hope done. Let's see now. What is the output? It's like this. Checkbox, 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 checkbox. Now you will create next called radio button. Radio button. Button is not there, it's called only radio. Input type radio. Bangalore. Next radio. Mumbai. Timing. 10 o'clock. Okay. Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata. Okay, radio button created. Check now. It will come like this. Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune. But you are able to select all. What is the difference between radio button and checkbox? Here also we are able to select. Here also we are able to select. So difference is here. Let's come to the code. In the case of radio button, choose anyone from given list. Checkbox, choose one or more from given list. Choose one or more from the given list. Here choose anyone from the given list. Just add that line first. Okay. Now let us come to the browser. The first button says like checkbox says choose one or more, no problem. Radio button says like you have to choose any one from the given list. But when we select here, we are able to select multiple. When we select here, we are able to select multiple. So how to fix that? So for that solution is, for every radio button, the name should be same. the name should be same. Any name will do. Now, what is the name? We will discuss on that. We will make a note. But for every radio button, the name should be same. If the name is same for every radio button, if the name is same, then it will not allow you to select multiple. It will allow to select any one at a time. You can check also. It will allow you to select any one at a time. Written, check now. So it says here, you can select anyone. Can you see that? It is allowing to select anyone now. Why? Because we are given the common name. If it is a common name, user cannot select multiple. That is the functionality of input type equal to radio. That is the functionality of input type equal to radio. That is the functionality of input type equal to radio. Okay, save now. Come after this. Another one we have, what we wrote? We wrote here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now next we need to write the buttons. H3 you write here or maybe H2. Button in. कोमल बना कि नहीं? हाँ सर, सब चीज बन गया है, मतलब लॉजिक नहीं हो पाया सर, अभी डिजाइनिंग ही बहुत टफ डिजाइनिंग है। हाँ, डिजाइन कॉम्प्लेक्स है थोड़ा। कॉम्प्लेक्स अभी हुआ है, एक बार दिखाइए तो। Just hold on a minute. हो रहा है ये तो उसका डिजाइन कर सकते ये उसका डिजाइन ये नॉर्मल बन रही है ये यहाँ तक बना ली है जैसा वो है। अब मेरा क्वेरी ये है कि जैसे ये सिर्फ क्रिएटेड पे क्लिक किया है तो सिर्फ क्रिएटेड का ही डेटा यहाँ शो कर रहा है, तो हमको क्या ये सब के लिए अलग अलग पेज बनाना? नहीं हाइड और वो नहीं, it is like once you call the API, no, once you call the API, in API there will be a status in progress, cancellation, ये सब ठीक है, right? So it's in progress, there will be an API. Okay, so what they wanted, they want like according to a status they want to see the result. ओके तो अभी ऊपर जाइए। नहीं कंडीशन यार सर्च लगाया था ना आप, यू हैव अप्लाई द फिल्टर, फिल्टर लगाया था ना पहले आप। टैब भी चेंज होना चाहिए ना, टैब चेंज होगा तो पैटर्न चेंज होगा, टैब का तो लगाएगा। नो प्रॉब्लम, देन द API is calling, the API is calling in a टैब Okay, उधर से डिसेबल किया होगा रिडायरेक्टिंग नोटिस टाइम टू क्लिक कीजिए इसमें. Okay, too many requests. Okay, the server is busy. Okay. So in that, like whenever you call this URL, no, a URL जब आप call करोगे आप, in that there will be a lot of data. So what you have to do is, maybe you can apply the search filter one option, or every tab click. This all are assumed like the buttons. Okay, on every button click you need to call the same API, but a status will be different. When you click on this button, you call the same API and send the parameter as a status as a created. When you click on this button, call the same API, pass the parameter as a what? Status as a completed. Now the API will give the data based on this status. Okay. और यहाँ पे अब नंबर दिखाना है, you need to display the number, उसका और solution है.
नंबर तो फिर भी सर दिखा देंगे, वो लेंथ के हिसाब से उसका ये क्रिएटेड डॉट लेंथ करेंगे तो ये नंबर यहाँ शो कर देगा. नंबर वही है, मतलब क्रिएट एक दिन में कितना क्रिएट हुआ है उसका कितना डेटा है. तो जितना डेटा है वो मतलब क्रिएटेड वहाँ पे वो है एपीआई में भी उतना डॉट लेंथ करेंगे तो वो नंबर शो कर देगा.
ये दूसरा चीज है, आप इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे तो पता चलेगा. वो लेंथ से नहीं
और
मिलेगा.
ये जो डिजाइन बनाएंगे सर, ये क्या है?
टेबल स्ट्रिप है, टेबल स्ट्रिप, टेबल स्ट्रिप, टेबल स्ट्रिप में ऑटोमेटिकली डिफरेंट कलर कॉम्बिनेशन आता है.
सब एक छोड़ कर एक आ जाता है.
हाँ, दैट इज टेबल स्ट्रिप. तो पहले ये डिजाइन जो बेसिक हुआ ना, आप उसमें एपीआई से कुछ डेटा कॉल करके इसमें फेच करके डिस्प्ले करा दो आप.
ये जो टेबल स्ट्रिप बना देंगे ये यहीं पे जो ये है, ये डिजाइन बनाए हैं इसके नीचे. अब करना ये है कि जब अगर इन प्रोग्रेस पे करें तो नीचे टेबल में सिर्फ उसका डेटा डिस्प्ले करें. और ये तो सर ये इसमें लिखा हुआ था जैसा कि दो तरह का है उसमें वेंडर और इसका अपना ब्रांच है ये. ठीक है, इस दोनों का डेटा को यहाँ फेच कर लेंगे पूरा. ठीक है, और उसके बाद वो ये लिखा था कि जब हम वेंडर सेलेक्ट करें तो सिर्फ वेंडर डिटेल्स इसमें शो करें.
एपीआई कॉल अगेन,
एपीआई कॉल अगेन, और उसके बाद फिर
उधर से जो रिस्पांस आएगा उसमें दिखा देना है दूसरा वाला. Here on click also you need to call API and whatever the response come that will go to the box. Right, ये सब API का किया हुआ कॉल है. ठीक है, अभी तक जो बना है ना बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर, कब सबमिशन डेट कब है? कल. हाँ, तो डिजाइन हो गया, बाकी अब API से कॉल करके और उसमें जितना डेटा पॉपुलेट हो जाए फिल करके भेज दीजिए, थर्ड पार्टी समझ जाएगा कि इसको आता है.
बहुत बड़ा थर्ड पार्टी
This will take 1 week for any experience person. 1 week. ठीक है, चलिए. Sorry. Okay, so let's go ahead. Right below button. Now one button is for submit. One more button is reset and one more is for submit, reset, and next is for clear. Type equal to submit will come. Type equal to submit will come. SUBMIT. Type equal to reset will come. Type equal to, this is called button. So type equal to button. Type equal to button. So based on type, the function is going to perform. If the button is submit, then something else will do. Button is reset, then something else will do. Button is button, then something else it will do. Okay, so all three are of different type. Submit, reset, and button. Submit, reset, and button. We will make a note of all three. Okay, written type equal to multiple types. It's just like the button is a sample as of now. It is not going to make any functionality. It will be just a sample button. Submit button, we are going to see what will happen using submit, what will happen using reset, what will happen using button. But three types of button we have: submit, reset, and button. Okay. Now this file was just basic syntax of input elements. Basic syntax of input element. Create next file. Create next file form1.html. Create the next file form1.html. In the same folder, input tag folder only, form1.html. Okay, hope file is ready. In this file, start from HTML again. Follow the body tag. Come inside. Use one h1, or instead of writing the h1 tag by default, open a table tag. Open a table tag. Open a table tag. Now for this table, we can keep some align. Cell padding equal to 10. Cell padding 10. Now write inside one caption tag. Write as a h1 inside. Contact us. Contact us. Okay. Next, after that, write a tr. Inside the tr, follow a th, enter full name. Now we are mixing table and input tag both together. Okay, we are mixing input tag and table together. Now let's go here. Write one TD. Input type equal to text. Add it. Check now how this page looks. One text box and label together. Add one more TR here. Enter mobile number. Input type equal to number. Enter email ID. Input type equal to email. Add this all. Next, after that, you can see your page, how that look. Page look like this. Add one more TR here. Enter your full address. Full address. Text area. Open. Text area close. Next TR. Will follow the TH and write call span equal to 2. Submit button. Send a message. Type equal to submit. Hope ready? Check now. So here, we have to increase the text box size, we have to increase this, we have to increase this, then it will look more better. So first check once and let me know the page look like different or similar. Self padding you can increase little, make 15, 17. A space will get applied, page will be more spacious. The form will become more spacious. Self padding you can apply here. Okay, hope done. Once you complete, you can let me know in the chat. Okay, cool. Go ahead now. Next, after this, we need to provide one heading on the top so that we can create multiple pages. And after the clicking on, after click of any page, it should go to the different page. And from there we can see the contents. So go here now. Before this table, create one more table. Before this table, create one more table. In that table, you are going to write, in this first table, you are going to write align equal to center and cell padding equal to 10, 12 TR. Inside that you will follow the TH and you will write one hyperlink a href equal to current file that is called form1.html. You will write here form1 only, no problem. Form1 we can add here. Form1 we can add here. One link you have written, write one more link. Is a form 2. Form 2 we can write here. Form 3. Form 3 we can write here. Form 4. Form 4 also we can write here. Form 5. Form 5 also we can write here. Form 6. Form 6 also we can write here. Save it and check once. So this all pages we will be creating and we will provide the hyperlink here. So when we click on this, it will go to the new pages. We can increase little font size also. We have idea. We have a tag called font. There is a property called size. Suppose 5 I will write here. Let me see if font size is increasing or not. Using HTML. In HTML, we have a font tag. With the help of that, we can increase the size. Size got increased. That way you can write everywhere. And you can try it. Font tag, open, close, 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 and close. Everywhere, open, close you need to do. But the code will become little heavy. Because same thing, we have to open, close again. Okay, so let's write it. Once CSS will come, this all duplicate will get removed. Code will become clean code. Okay, hope done. Go ahead. Same in HTML5 also. Which one same? Which code? In HTML5 tags are different. In HTML5 tags are different. Tag will not be same. Okay, go ahead next. Next, after this will look big size. You can see now, font size become bigger. So this page you can see here. Now let's come add the properties for the first text box. For first text box, add a property that is called max length. Max length equal to 30. Max length equal to 30. Now it will not allow more than 30 character. It will ask you to enter max to max 30 character only. More than 30 character you cannot enter. More than 30 character you cannot enter. Okay, so let us check now. 30 character only we can enter. Oh, 30 character we given big. Keep 10 character only because we need to test just. Test, okay, max length. Now right here call a size property. S-I-Z-E, size. Size property. Suppose size we wrote called 40. So size will increase the width of text area. Size property will increase the width of text area. Size property will increase the width of text area. Sorry, text box, not text area. Size property will increase the width of text box. You can say width got increased, but it will take only 10 character. More than 10 it will not take. So using max length, you can limit. Using max length, we limit the character. Using size, we increase the length. We have a property called placeholder. Enter name. Just a kind of message to user. Enter name will be just like a message to user. Okay, check now. It's called placeholder. It's coming, enter name. Once you enter the name here, that message will go. Message gone. If you enter here, message will be gone. Message will be gone. Let's go ahead in the next one, mobile number. In mobile number, size and max length will not work. In number data type, those two will not work. Only we have to write here call placeholder. Enter mobile number. Mobile number. For email ID, these three will work. For email ID, all three will work. Enter email ID. Okay, enter email ID. For email ID, all will work. But for number, it will not work. For number, we have to take the help from the JavaScript to limit the total number of length, number of this one, everything. Save it now. Run the page. We'll come to the developer guide. We'll make few lines of note. Hope ready. Save now. Mobile number, max length, and this is not available. So go to the developer guide. Even you can write for this also, for text area. Placeholder equal to enter address. So this will become a message for user. Placeholder equal to enter message. This will become a message for user. User will understand, oh, I have to enter the address. Next, to increase the height of text area, you have to write called rows. A rows property will help you to increase the height. Rows equal to 10 rows. Calls will help you to increase the width. Calls equal to 40 columns. Calls will increase the width. Rows will increase the height. Hope ready. Save now. See like this. Height width got increased. See, height is more, width is more. So height has increased because of rows. Width has increased because of calls. Height is increased because of rows. Width is increased because of calls. You can change the number and check. You can change that number little and check again. Now come to developer guide. Right here, list of property. First is called placeholder. This is for what purpose? It is for input guidance. It is for input guidance. Placeholder, it is for input guidance. Next, after that, max length. For what purpose? It used to set limit for input field in character. Placeholder max length. Next is called size. It used to set width for text box. Text width for, okay, placeholder is applicable everywhere. Max length is applicable for this one, text, email, password. Okay. Size is also applicable here only. Text, email, it is used to set the width for input field. Example following. Max length. Rows. For what purpose? Used to set height for text area. False for what purpose? It used to set width for text area. Width for text area. Save it, write it once. Where we are written call span required to send a message. Aniket. Look at here, call span is for what purpose? Call span here. Can you see that? It used to combine the space of two or more th and td. You don't read that, huh? Or you are not writing as well. Okay, hope you have written that. Placeholder, it is for the input guidance. For example, here in this page, it's saying enter address. This will make some sense. User will understand, oh, I have to enter my address. So that is making a message to the user. Now in this code, what we have sent, call span 2 is for what purpose? Call span 2, look at here. No, you have not revised it. I have given some assignment yesterday, you did anything? Your question is completely out of the box, non-matching question. Question is out of the box, non-matching question. Call span is written for th. It is for what purpose? To combine the space of two or more column. 100% compulsory submit all set number 1. Yesterday I have given no. If you will not do assignment, you will be confused like that only. Yesterday assignment was only to clear the concept of row span, call span. Okay. This is helping you. Look at here, how many th are there? One th and td in the previous row. Th and td is there. In this row, how many? Only one is there, th. So we are saying call span 2. Meaning is what? We are asking the TS to take the place of TD also. TD is absent in this. So that two column space will be combined and it will appear in the middle. Please do assignment. Assignment is made after looking into multiple possibility. Set number 1 6 page. By tomorrow, everyone submit. And how you are submitting? Let me see once in the group. How you are sending that in the group? In group, one person has Aniket only has posted once. How to change the font style in the font style? You leave it. Okay. You only has posted one person. Other are not one person. Other people, please do that. See, after doing the assignment, suppose you created one page ready like this. Now take the photo and post in group. Suppose you created a page, form 1, form 2, form 3, assignment, 6 pages are there in one set. So suppose one page you created, take the photo in group and post. That way is summation of assignment. Okay, so hope you have written the notes. This one. Next, again, we have many property value we will be making the notes. Set number 6, whoever have completed or not completed, complete that, because next class I'll give you another set. Set number 6, total 6 are there. Everywhere 666 photos are there. If you do all the set, you will be confident in HTML. You will understand that, okay? So hope you will try it. It will be helpful. Okay, then save this file and we'll see you again on Monday, not tomorrow and day after. Monday will be the next class directly. By then 1 to 2 day time we have complete that assignment. Just come back.